Ever wondered what happens when a program enters a dark alley of errors and exceptions? Well, it's a common occurrence in the world of programming. Picture this: you're coding a program, and suddenly, the user enters invalid data. Or perhaps the file your program desperately needs to open has disappeared into thin air. Maybe the network connection decides to take a sudden vacation. Or worse, the class your program needs can't be found. These are all examples of exceptions, the unwelcome guests in your program's execution. But what exactly is an exception? In the realm of Java, an exception is a powerful mechanism that handles runtime errors. It ensures the normal flow of the application, even when things go awry. Imagine a lifeguard at a pool, ready to step in when a swimmer struggles. That's an exception in a nutshell. Now, exceptions come in different flavors, each with its unique characteristics. Let's dive into them. First, we have checked exceptions. These are typically user errors or problems that even the most prophetic programmer can't foresee. They're like the unexpected rain on a summer's day. For instance, there's I/O exception, which occurs when an input or output operation is failed or interrupted. Next up, we have unchecked exceptions. These are the exceptions that could probably have been avoided by the programmer. They're like stumbling on a rock you could have seen if you were paying attention. Classic examples include divide by zero, number format exception, and the infamous null pointer exception. Finally, we have errors. These are problems that are beyond the control of the user or the programmer. It's like a sudden landslide, unpredictable and uncontrollable. For instance, if a stack overflow occurs, an error will arise. These are generally ignored at the time of compilation. Let's explore a few examples of these exceptions. The arithmetic exception, for instance, is thrown when an exceptional condition occurs in an arithmetic operation. It's like a calculator refusing to divide by zero. The array index out of bounds exception indicates that an array has been accessed with an illegal index, like trying to squeeze into a full elevator. The class not found exception is raised when we try to access a class that's missing in action. In a nutshell, exceptions are the lifeguards of your program, stepping in when things go wrong. They come in different types, each dealing with different kinds of errors and problems. Remember, a good programmer knows their exceptions as well as they know their code. So keep coding, keep learning, and remember to handle those exceptions.